Many of you may know that Black River Country Bank was actually founded as the Bank of Melrose. But did you realize it was way back in 1907? Well, a lot has changed in the world since then. But what hasn't changed here at Black River Country Bank are our core values. Our tradition with progression, integrity, safety and soundness, commitment to community, inclusion of others, and customer-centered approach have never wavered. Our mission and vision remain crystal clear. We're in the business of developing authentic relationships to help nurture our people. Our vision is to live our values, promoting the long-term sustainability and growth of both our community, you, and our treasured family business, Black River Country Bank. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, we want to help you achieve your long-term growth goals by helping you sift through some of the ins and outs of buying a home. Whether it be your first home or possibly even your forever home, we know it can be a scary process and feel overwhelming, so we're here to help. Today, Justin Blaken, Kim Torres, and Max Hart, a few of our awesome loan officers, are going to guide you through the main steps in your home buying experience. Hopefully, this brief overview will be a nice resource to help ease your mind, and it should help prepare you for more discussions with us as you move forward in this exciting step in your life. Alrighty then, without further ado, here's Justin Blaken.
Thanks, Tracy. Buying a home is probably one of the largest purchases you'll ever make. While it's certainly a large expense, it can also be a great investment. Whether it's a starter home or your forever home, you'll want to spend some time planning for this purchase. One thing we like to discuss with first-time home buyers especially are the other costs that come along with buying a home. Things like real estate taxes and homeowners insurance will be routine expenses that you'll have each year. Other things like repairs and maintenance might not be as frequent, but you'll want to be sure to keep them in mind. Roof repairs, leaky faucets, air conditioning repairs, these are all things that can come up at any time. While it's impossible to anticipate every expense related to buying a home, thinking about them ahead of time should put you in a better spot to handle them. Now that we've hit on some of the costs related to buying your home, I'll turn it over to Kim Torres, loan officer in our Black River Falls office, and she'll discuss some tips to help you save up for your big purchase.
Thanks, Justin. So, how do you prepare for this purchase? A budget is a useful and beneficial item that helps keep you on track. By budgeting for those expenses, whether it's other loan payments, living expenses, upgraded vehicles, or home repairs, it helps you prepare for the unexpected items that sneak up on you. It's very important you pay your bills on time. During the process, we'll run a credit report showing your past credit history, so it's very crucial you stay ahead of the game with your debt. Saving your money for a down payment is also very important when purchasing your home. The more money you have to put towards the purchase, the less your payments will be, and the more house you can afford. Your down payment demonstrates discipline and foreplanning on your part. A good way to save money is to establish a separate savings account available here at Black River Country Bank, where you can deposit money on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, whichever fits your needs. Now I'm going to pass it on to Max Hart, loan officer in our Melrose office. He'll talk about the importance of how to choose your right bank.
Thanks, Kim. Now that you've worked on saving money and establishing good credit, it's time to come to Black River Country Bank to work with one of our loan officers. We will be able to assist you with learning the maximum amount that you can afford to pay for a house. Many realtors request a pre-qualification letter from a bank to begin the home search process. Before coming to see us, gather some important documents to bring with you to our meeting. We know it may seem like a lot, but we'd like to review your recent paycheck stubs, most recent 2 years of tax returns and W-2 statements, current bank statements, and an up-to-date list of assets and liabilities. During this process, we will discuss certain home loan options, and if certain qualifications are met, you will then be provided with a pre-qualification letter to give to your realtor. This will give you an advantage in the home buying process. We at BRCB will be excited to help you during your home search process to help it flow smoothly. Kim will now be coming back to talk about the most exciting part of the home buying process, finding your dream home.
Thanks, Max. Now that you have your pre-qualification letter in hand, it will help you prepare for when you find that dream home. With the letter, you will have an advantage in the housing market. So, contact a realtor and start looking for a home. A realtor helps make the process easier, but isn't always required. The biggest factor in finding your home is location. What school district is it in? What's the distance to work? What are the opportunities for recreation in the area? What best fits your needs? Be sure to look at different homes as well, since they're all unique and have separate qualities, as well as cosmetic and structural defects. Keep in mind, if a home is needing improvements, it may affect the cost of the loan and the ability to finance. When you find the right house, you can make an offer, and that begins the final step in buying your new home. Now I'm passing it back to Justin, who will take you through that final step.
Thanks, Kim. So, you found your home, made your offer, and the offer's been accepted. Where do you go from here? Now's the time to reach back out to us at Black River Country Bank and get us a copy of that accepted offer to purchase. Now that we know the home that you're looking to buy, we do some final analysis on our end. This is when things like appraisals and home inspections would be completed, and we'll take care of arranging for those to be done. These types of things usually take 4 to 6 weeks, but we'll be in contact with you to let you know where things are at. Once we've got all those things finished up, we'll reach out to you to discuss a closing date that works for you and also the seller. On closing day, you'll meet with us at the bank first to sign your loan papers. Then, you'll head to a closing meeting with the seller and the closing agent. This is where things are signed to officially transfer the property to you. And you'll walk out of that meeting as a new homeowner with keys in hand. We know this home buying process can seem overwhelming, but we hope this short video provides some helpful info to guide you. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to Max, Kim, or myself at any time. Or, if you're ready to begin the home buying process, check out our new online loan application at brcbank.com.
Hi, I'm Bob Becker, President of the Black River Country Bank. Thank you for considering the Black River Country Bank. We have been serving Jackson County and the surrounding area since 1907. Our deep roots are more evident than ever in this always changing world. We continue to be deeply committed to the long-term growth of our community while operating in an environmentally sustainable manner. We look forward to continuing to serve you as the community bank of your choice. Thank you. Black River Country Bank. We want what you want.